I've had a little bit of an issue when I've updated to iOS 15 after a few restarts, and it can just happen randomly. My desktop icons are missing. Now, if I right click and create a new folder, it's there, and I can call it new folder as an example. I could be fine, but then I could restart the machine and it'll disappear there and after. Now, you can do the shortcut, which is Command Shift and the full stop, or Command Shift and period. That will then bring the folders back, but as you can see, some of these are sort of grayed out because they're still marked as hidden. Now, there's actually a terminal command that you can put in. So this is the terminal command there. So cd means change directory, go to desktop, and we're going to change the flags to be hidden, and then we're going to restart Finder. So if you were to type this in and we open terminal, if we just paste this straight in and press enter, you can see now these refresh, and obviously the folders come back and they are absolutely fine. So that's a really quick way of how you change the flags within terminal, and it gets your hidden folders back.